If you have a broken mirror come into your shop and you're wondering how to repurpose it, how about a chalkboard? We needed to announce some of our classes in our huge windows, and this Eastlake really came in handy. I gave it a base coat of the Greystone and also sprayed some sage green on, and wow, what a big difference. Now I'm going to be putting some stenciling on here, and I'll show you how to do that.
So what I'm going to do is use this stencil from Stick and Style Redesign with Prima. It's their Calypso, and I'm going to put that on the frame of this, and I'll show you how to do that in a sec. So you'll need that. You'll need a pair of scissors. You'll need some baby wipes, which I have here, and you'll need some of the coal black from Vermont Chalky Paint. And what I'm going to do first is I want to take, my round brush. And a round brush, you definitely want to have that. I'm going to use this for blending toward the top of this, and then I'm using a small artist brush to do the dabbing with the stenciling. So I'll show you the difference between those first. So I've got my brush, it's a little damp, which is perfect. And I'm just going to put it into my paint, and I'm just going to run it along the top here. All right. And then I'm going to take my baby wipe. And I'll wipe off the excess here. That's good. And what I'm going for is I want it to look antiqued and like it's been here forever. And I want it to really show these beautiful lines. And now I have all my stippling done. I'm going to remove it immediately after painting. I'm not going to wait. So I'm just going to, see that's cutting in where I pull the brush inside the shape. So then I can avoid taping the piece. And I can just go ahead and paint it up. Now this one, I keep my brush pretty loaded for. It's a little harder to cut on the bottom.
Now, what are we going to use for a chalkboard? Well, there's a couple of ways you can go. Lowe's has some already made chalkboards that you can cut out. They're very lightweight, Cut them to size and just season them with a piece of chalk by coloring the whole surface first and then erasing it, and then it's good to go as it's seasoned. This is just a poster that I printed up at our local print shop and works out great for us. So that's how you can make your own vintage chalkboard. Hope this is helpful. Find more ideas at vermontchalkypaint.com.